Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here to discuss ICSE 2024 examination specimen paper computer application solution. As you know, this question paper is divided in two sections, section A and section B. Section A, where all questions to be attempted, comprises MCQs, output-based questions, and theory questions, whereas section B, any 4 to be attempted, is the programming section. Section A we'll discuss first. The first question comprises of 20 questions from MCQs. The questions are here. First one, name the feature of Java depicted in the above picture. As you can see the picture, there is a lion as the father and a cub as child. The options are encapsulation, inheritance, abstraction, polymorphism. The answer is inheritance. The reason behind it is, in inheritance, the child inherits the properties of the parents, which is shown in the picture very clearly. Next question. The expression which uses greater than or equal to operator is known as relational, logical, arithmetic, assignment. The answer is relational. Reason, greater than or equal to compare two operands and returns true or false, and thus establish a relation between the two operands. Next question. Ternary operator is a logical operator, arithmetic operator, relational operator, conditional operator. The answer is conditional operator. Reason, the conditional operator is the only ternary operator in Java that works like an if-else statement and returns true or false. Next question. When primitive data type is converted to a corresponding object of its class, it is called, options are boxing, unboxing, explicit type conversion, implicit type conversion. Answer is boxing. Autoboxing, the automatic conversion of primitive data type into its equivalent wrapper class object, is known as boxing or autoboxing. Next question. The number of bytes occupied by a character array of 10 elements. Option 20 bytes, 60 bytes, 40 bytes, 120 bytes. Answer 20 bytes. One character occupies 2 bytes in Unicode character set. So 10 characters will occupy 20 bytes. Next question. The method of scanner class used to accept a double value is next int, next double, next integer. The answer is next double. Next question. Among the following, which is a keyword? Every, all, case, each. The answer is case. It is a keyword which is used within the switch construct or switch block. The output of math.round 6.6 plus math.seals 3.4 is, option are 9.0, 11.0, 10.0, 11. The answer is 11.0. See the working. Math.round returns the integer value and it rounds up if the value is 0.5 or above. So 6.5 will result 7, but math.seal return a double value and it's round up also. So 3.4 will become 4.0. So 7 plus 4.0 equals to 11.0. Next question. Name the type of error, if any, in the following statement. System.out.print within double quotes hello. Options are logical, no error, runtime, syntax. The answer is syntax error because in the statement, semicolon is missing at the end of the statement. Next question. Java statement to access the fifth element of an array is XA, X4, X5, X3, X0. Excuse me. The answer is X4. The index position in an array starts from 0. So the fifth element will be at index position 4. Next question. The output of remarkable.substring 6 is, options are mark, emark, mark A, and able. The answer is able. Substring 6 will extract the characters starting from the index position 6 to the end of the string. And in the remarkable, at index position 6, it is A of able. That's why it's able is the answer. Next question. Which of the following is the wrapper class for the data type char? Options are string, char, character, float. The answer is character. Next question. Name the package that contain wrapper classes. Options are java.lan, java.util, java.io, java.awt. Answer is java.lang. And one more thing here to mention, java.lang is the default package that gets imported with every class in the program. Next question. Constructor overloading follows which principle of object-oriented programming? Options are inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. The answer is polymorphism. Function overloading or constructor overloading is an example of polymorphism. Next question. Which of the following is a valid integer constant? 4, 4.0, 4.3f, and within double quotes 4. Options are only 1, 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 1 and 2. The answer is only 1. The reason, integer data type is a positive or negative whole number without a decimal value. Next question. The method compare to returns dash when two strings are equal and in lower case. Options are true, 0, 1, false. The correct answer is 0. Reason, compare to method compare two strings and return the ASCII difference of the first two dissimilar characters in two strings, and thus it returns an integer value. So when both the strings are equal in all respect, there is no difference in the ASCII values, hence it returns 0. Next question. Assertion. In Java, statements written in lowercase letter or uppercase letters are treated as same. Reason, Java is a case-sensitive language. Options are both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Option B, both assertion and reason are true, and reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Option C, assertion is true and reason is false. Option D, assertion is false and reason is true. The correct answer is D, that is assertion is false and reason is true. Case sensitive means uppercase letter and lowercase letters are two different characters in Java. So thus, in Java, uppercase and lowercase are not treated as same, and Java is a case sensitive language. Next question. Read the following statement and choose the correct answer. Class encapsulate data members that contain the information necessary to represent the character and member methods that perform operations on the data member. What does a class encapsulate? Options are information and operation. Next, data members and member methods. Next, data members and information. Last, member methods and operation. Correct answer, data members and member methods. Encapsulation means wrapping up of data and methods or functions into single unit called class. Next, assertion, call by value is known as pure method. Reason, the original value of the variable does not change as operation is performed on copied value. Options are both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Option B, both assertion and reason are true and reason is not a correct explanation of assertion. Option C, assertion is false and reason is true. Option D, assertion is false and reason is true. Correct answer A. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Why? Because in call by value, the value is passed to a copy of the value is passed from the actual parameter to the formal parameter. So thus, any change done in the formal parameter does not reflect back to the actual parameter. Now, what is a pure method? Pure method is a method which does not change the value of the operand. Thus, both satisfy each other. Next question. What will be the output for system.out.print character.to lowercase l? Options are 0, L in lowercase, A capital letter, true. The answer is B, that is small letter l, as no change will take place as the character itself is in a lower case. Now we'll move on to question 2. The question 2 comprises of output-based questions or expressions. First question, write the Java expression for P plus Q whole power 2. And the second question, evaluate the expression when the value of x equals to 2. It is x equals to x plus 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 x plus x. Let us see the answer of these two first. First one, the expression will be int r equals to P plus Q within bracket into P plus Q, or the same can be written in the other way, double R equals to math.pow within bracket P plus Q comma 2. Second one, here first x is working with postfix operation, second one is prefix operation, then the original value of the x. So here the statement x equals to the original value of x2 plus 2 times increment, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4, and then final value again 4. So 2 plus 4 plus 4, x becomes now 10. Next question. The third question is, the following code segment should print, you can go out if you have done your homework and clean your room. However, the code has errors. Fix the code so that it compiles and runs correctly. The statement is given boolean dh equals to true, semicolon, boolean cr equals to true. If dh and cr, system.println, you cannot go out, else system.println, you can go out. So the correct answer is boolean dh equals to true in small letter. Here it's given in capital letter. And here you cannot go out. If you can go out if you done your homework dh. So if you done the homework dh and if you clean your room cr, so if both are true, you can go out. Else you cannot go out. So there is a correction needed. It's one problem. Let me correct over here. This statement will be, you can go out. This one will not be this one. You can go out. And here it will be, you cannot go out. So the correct code, Boolean DH equals to true, Boolean CR equals to true. If both are true, you can go out, else you cannot go out. Next, let us move to the next question. Question 4. Sam executes the following program segment and correct and the answer displayed is 0, irrespective of any non-zero values are given. Name the error and how the program will be modified to get the correct answer. So here the question is void triangle double B comma double H double A equals to half into B into H system.println area equals to A. Now, since there is a logical error in the program, since 1 by 2 being an integer division gives you the answer 0, so that the complete answer comes 0.0. So to rectify it, the correct code will be A equals to either we convert it explicitly within bracket double 1 by 2 into B into H, or we can rewrite the statement as A equals to 1.0 slash 2.0 into B into H. Rest all being the correct statements. Next question. How many times the loop will execute and what will be the return value? Here it's given int x equals to 2, int y equals to 5, do loop begins, plus plus x, y minus equals to x plus plus, while x less than equals to 10. After that, return y. Let us first see the working table. With the value of x and y at the initial stage, we enter the loop. First comes the pre-increment of x, followed by y minus equals to x, then x plus plus. After that, the condition x less than equals to 10. So with x value 2, y 50, x comes to 3, y becomes 50 minus 3, 47, x incremented to 4, 4 is less than 10, condition true, loop runs, continues. So x4, y57, further it goes, x become 5, y become 47 minus 5, 42, x incremented to 6, 6 less than 10, condition true, loop continues. With x6, y 42, x incremented to 7, 42 minus 7, 35, x incremented to 8, 8 less than 10, it becomes true. Loop continues, x8, y 35, x incremented to 9, y becomes 35 minus 9, 26, x incremented to 10. Now 10 is equals to 10, again condition holds true, the loop continues, x10, y 35, x incremented to 11, 35 minus 11, 15, x incremented to 12. Now 12 is greater than 10, so condition becomes false, the loop ends. So the output becomes, the loop will run 5 times and the value returned is 15. Next two questions are here. Write the output of the following string method, artificial.index of I, dog and puppy trim length, and name two jump statements. Let us see the answer. First one, artificial.index of I will return 3 because A at index position 0, R1, T2, I comes index position 3. Whereas dog and puppy dot trim will not make any change as there is no space in the front or the end of the string. So total characters including the space length will come to 13. And two jump statements are break and continue. Next question. Predict the output of the following code snippet. String A equals to 20, string B equals to 23, both in double quotes. Integer.parseInt A, integer.parseInt B, then system.out.println A within double quotes asterisk B. Now integer.parseInt converts string to integer. So thus P store integer value 20, Q store integer value 23. But while printing, asterisk again put in string. So while printing, A asterisk B will again reconvert the entire statement to string, and the output will be 20 asterisk 23 or 20 asterisk 23, which is a string type output here. Next question. There are two sets of questions put together. When there is no explicit initialization, what are the default values set for variables in the following cases? Integer variable, string variable. Second question, the 10th question actually. Int P equals to within braces 12, 14, 16, 18, and int Q, both are array, integer array, 20, 22, 24. Place all elements of P array and Q array in the array R one after other. What will be the size of the array R? Write the index position of the first and the last element. The answers for question number 9, integer variables default value is 0. String variables default value is null. Now the size of the array R is the total size of P plus Q. So 4 plus 3, 7. Index position of the first element 0 and index position of the last element is 6. So thus we come to the end of the section A. With the end of section A, this video I'm ending here. Section B, I'll come up with a new video. Thank you and stay tuned. Section B is going to upload very soon.